in this session we are going to write a program to find whether the entered number is a positive or negative, whether the entered number is a even or odd, and third, whether the entered year is a leap year or not, using conditional operator. Okay, in the last class we have seen what is a conditional operator. Okay, conditional operator is also called as ternary operator. That's nothing but it is going to operate on three operands, a, x and y. Depending upon the condition we are going to write in the a, we are going to pass the value of x or y into c. Okay, by using this we will be doing the three programs. Okay, let's get started with this particular, whether the particular entered number is a positive or not. So what's the condition I am going to write, whether the particular number is a positive or not. Okay, first of all, how many variables I am taking here? I am going to take this condition. Okay, condition I am expecting number. Okay, number I am going to make it as integer. Okay, integer, int a. Okay, now, okay, string c equal to, condition I am writing if a greater than 0. Okay, if condition where the particular number, whatever the particular user is entering. Okay, now let me take that user is entering a. Okay, see in console input he is entering the a. Okay, then you are checking the condition whether a is greater than 0. Okay, if a is greater than 0, then you are going to write the, I am going to follow the syntax. Okay, question mark. Okay, what is the condition if a greater than 0? Okay, if a greater than 0, the condition is satisfied. The condition is satisfied. Then you are passing x to c. Okay, then I am writing it as positive. Then, if the condition is not satisfied, that a greater than 0 is false, then I am going to pass this y content. Okay, what is this y content I am writing? Negative. Okay. Cout enter number is. Okay, enter number is where the data is, where the particular result is stored in c variable. Okay, then take the c variable. Okay, that's all. Okay, now see here. Conditional operator is you're going to check the condition whether a is greater than 0. Then it is going to give, if the condition is becoming true, it is going to give positive and it is going to c. Okay, c is of which variable? C is of string variable. So c can hold what particular data? String can hold a string of alphabets. Okay, so alphabets, numbers and special characters it can hold. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, I am entering 20. Now, entered number is positive. Okay, I have entered the value of a as 20. So, it is showing entered number is positive. Okay, let me give negative number, whether it is giving the negative or not, we will see. Okay, let me enter minus 12. Okay, minus 12. Minus 12 is a negative number. So, you are getting entered number is a negative. Okay, now see here. Whenever I am going to take the a value, first it is checking the condition. Okay, minus 12. Minus 12 is greater than 0. The condition is going to be fail. So, whenever the condition is failing, this negative is passed to c variable and it is shown at the console output. Okay, if you want this particular variable, okay, enter the number. Okay, now you are writing. Okay, you are telling to the user to enter the number. Okay, you are telling to the user enter the number. Then the particular user is going to enter the number. Okay. Enter the number. Okay, now you will be getting enter the number in the first line. Okay, enter the number. Before you have not written any enter the number, so directly it is showing, it is just blinking the cursor to make the user to enter the number. Now you are going to tell to the user enter the number. Now he is going to enter some number. Okay, minus 30 he has entered. Then you are going to check. See, this minus 30 is greater than 0. Whether minus 30 is greater than 0, the condition is going to be fail. Whenever the condition is going to be fail, then which value is sent to C? Whenever the condition is failed, the negative is going to be sent to C. Okay. See, enter the number is negative because the condition is failed. So you are going to pass the y value to the output. Okay. Okay, we have completed this whether the particular number is positive or not. Okay, now whether the entered number is even or odd. What's the condition to write whether the particular number is even or odd? I'm going to take the modulus operator. Modulus operator. I'm going to take modulus. Okay, whenever I'm going to take the remainder modulus of 2. I'm checking with the 0. Okay, whether the particular 2 divided by 2, what is the remainder? It is going to give 0. The condition is going to be true. Whenever the condition is going to be true, what I need to display? I need to display the number is even. Okay, whenever the condition is false, then I am going to display odd. Okay, if I am going to take 3 divided by 2, what's the remainder expected? 1. 1 is not equal to 0. So then the condition is going to be failed. Okay, the condition is going to be failed, then odd is sent to C variable. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, I am passing 3. Okay, I am passing 3. Now this 3 is going to be divided by 2 and it is going to give the remainder 1 which is not equal to 0. Whenever the condition fails, the y value is sent to C. That's nothing but odd is sent to C. Okay, the entered number is odd. Okay, now let's run one second. I am giving 12. Okay, the number is 12. Okay, number is 12. The 12 is divided by 2 and the remainder is going to be 0. Okay, whenever the condition, the 0 is double equal to 0, the condition is true. Okay, whenever the condition is true, this particular even is sent to C. Even is sent to C. Okay, now let's run this program. The entire number is even. Okay, this is how you are going to operate with the this is how you are going to use the conditional operator to check the condition. Okay, now this particular write a program to find whether the entered number is even or odd. So what is the condition? A modulus 2 double equal to 0. Then you are going to check the condition. Okay, now see, write a program to find whether the entered year is a leap year or not. Whether the what is the condition? When the particular year, enter the year you are telling. Enter the year. Enter the year. Now year is entered. Okay, now you are going to divide it by 4. Divided by 4. Whenever the remainder is going to give apart from 0, then you are telling that it is not a leap year. It is a leap year. When the condition satisfies, you are telling that this particular value sent to C. Okay, whenever the condition is failed, pass this value to C. Okay, when entered year is. Okay, let me enter some year. Let me enter 2000. Okay, 2000. 2000 it is divided by 4 and it is giving remainder what? It is giving me remainder 0. 0 double equal to 0. The condition is going to be true. Whenever the condition is going to be true, this particular value, whatever you write here, it is going to display, it is going to give to C. Okay, whenever the condition is going to be false, at that time not a leap year is given to C. Okay, let's run once again. I am going to give 2001. Okay, this time I have given it is not a leap year. Okay, 2001. 2001 is divided by 4 and then it is going to give some remainder. 1 as a remainder. Then 1 is not equal to 0. So whatever the condition you are writing here, not a leap year, it is given to C and it is telling that enter year is a not a leap year. Entered year is not a leap year. Okay, let's run this one. See here. Entered year is not a leap year. Entered year is not a leap year. Now I want to see which year the user has entered. Okay, now which year the user has entered. Okay, now I am telling that. Okay, when the user is entering, in which particular variable the data is stored? In A. Okay, now run this program. Okay, now I am entering some 2003. Okay, now this particular, whenever I run this program, first it is displaying what content? 2003 year is. Okay, now see here, 2003 year is not a leap year. Okay, not a leap year. Whenever you want to take whatever you have taken from the user, if you want to display, see the particular variable in which the data is stored. Okay, when in which the data is stored, in A variable it is stored. So you are writing A here. So whatever the user is entering, that particular data is fetched and then the continuously or the execution is going to be taken place. Okay, that's how you are going to use the conditional operator. Okay, that's all for this session. Thank you.